Good morning, everyone. Actually, wait, it's not the morning. It's 11:42. It's Sunday while I'm filming this today, and I just thought I would vlog a little bit and just share with you what I'm doing today. I'm actually filming a video other than this vlog. So, yeah, and I'm also going to try and do some more like house stuff because I'm actually going out of town next weekend. I'm going to see my mom for Mother's Day. So I just wanted to get some stuff done now so that I don't have to worry about it next week while I'm gone. Yeah, I just told myself that I need to get this bathroom done today. I really don't know if that's gonna happen, but I am going to try. So here, I'm gonna walk over and show you. This is what it looks like currently. So what I'm working on right now is grouting. So all of this gray stuff this is what it looks like when you put the grout in, and then you basically scrub the rest of it off. So I'll do that scrubbing today, and I'll also finish like this top part up here, and then yeah, like this patch. I also still need to cut this tile. I still need to grout this area and finish tiling to the floor here. And then once that's done, I'm going to prep this wall to be painted. So I have to finish screwing these in all the way. I have to get the seams covered and then put the drywall compound on it just to make everything smooth. And then I'll be able to prime and paint this wall. Same with this wall. This was like, I half-assed this a while ago, and I just have to put more layers of the stuff on and kind of like sand this down. Yeah, this top part is not done at all, but once that's done and this is painted, it'll look pretty good, I think. And then there really isn't that much left to do except to finish the ceiling and this little patch here. We actually still have to cut the hole outside for the fan to go, so this panel's going to have to come off and then reattach later, but I'm not going to do that by myself, so we're not doing that today. Yeah, the kitchen has been the same since I last showed you with the new counters and everything. I actually have this basil plant here, which I bought like a few weeks, maybe a month ago actually, and it's doing all right. Like there's some dry spots, but usually when I buy herb plants like this, they die like immediately, but I make sure to water this every day. And then also I tested this out. So I bought like, green onions, and I heard that if you can use the end cuts and put them in water, and then they'll like continue to grow off of it. So that's exactly what happened here. So you can see like the spot where I cut, which is like right there. Yeah, I cut that and then I put it in this little glass, and then it just grew off of that all the way like this. So this was about a week's worth, I think. But some of these I put in later. So like this one's newer, this one's like a couple days. This one is definitely the oldest one. This one's also. But yeah, they even there's like a little stem that came off of this one. And this one has a little like piece that's growing off of it too. Yes. So that is probably not that interesting to you, but I like that sort of thing. So today I am filming my April budget video. So I just planned everything out. This vlog is going up after that, so I guess I could just show you how I do it. So I use Keynote, and I just basically change the chart data depending on, what I spent each month. So I change that, or I can add or delete categories. So I do that for the spending and the income. So that's how I do it. And then how do I do this? I save this as a video, so it goes through each slide. So it looks like, so as I'm talking, each slide will appear. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's how I do that. So I just finished this. I still have to go over this and make sure this is correct. But yeah, I'm going to film that video in a little bit once I get changed and everything. But today, I guess it's like brunch, I'm going to make this couscous, which I have not had couscous in so long. My mom used to make it for me, but I've never made it on my own. But it seems super simple. So thank you to Public Goods for sending me this. I'm very excited to try it today. And they also were gracious enough to send me these glass tumblers and these lunch plates. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox these really quick. I actually opened these yesterday, but because I got impatient, but I'm gonna open them again. I put them back. This is actually their new homewares line, which is super exciting because right now I just have like these plastic cups, which you've probably seen in my vlogs, but I just don't like using plastic because first of all, if the water's been sitting in there for a little bit, it like starts to taste like plastic, and I'm sure that is not good for you. And yeah, it's just not as good to be drinking out of plastic, I feel like. I mean, maybe if it's not BPA, it's fine, but I don't know. I'm just not a big fan. It's also easier to clean glass, in my opinion, and it's just a little classier. Okay, there we go. So, this is a set of 4. And they come like super nicely wrapped up, but it's all wrapped in paper, so there's no styrofoam or plastic or anything like that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. They're super light, and they look kind of like beakers, like chemistry beakers, which is really cool. I feel like these look really cool. And then this I'm excited about are the lunch plates. The plates I have now are fine, but they're just not really my taste. I just got them for free, basically, from someone who wasn't using them anymore. So that's just what we've been using until, I decided to buy new ones. I think that food looks better in like plain white plate because you can really see all the food. Not that I really take pictures of my food that much, but okay. And these are also packaged very nicely. Cardboard. Yeah, these are like very simple, but I like it because it's got a little bit of like a lip here. It says it's hotel grade, oven safe to 350, microwave safe, and dishwasher safe. I'm gonna make this for lunch. And then I am going to get out of my PJs and film this budget video for you. And then I am going to be working on my bathroom, like I said. So we got a full day here. But also what I wanted to mention is I hit 1,000 subs yesterday, so Saturday. But when you're watching this, it'll be like over a week from then, and I will probably mention it in the budget video too. But I just really wanted to thank you for getting me to this point. It's definitely been a very long journey. But as you know, I'm not really doing this for the subs or to make money or anything. If anything, I've lost money from doing this since I've spent money on equipment and all that stuff. And I'm not on AdSense yet because you have to hit a certain number of watch hours. Yeah, and I just haven't hit that number. So I think you need 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12-month period. And I have a little over 2,000, I think. So I still have a ways to go to get there, but still hitting that 1,000 is like, it's just very nice to have that and know that many people are watching or interested in my content. So yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for supporting me. I'm very excited to continue to do this and to help more people, or at least provide some entertainment or something while you're doing something else, I guess. But yeah, that was really nice to wake up to that. Also, if you do want to help me get monetized, you can just like have a playlist of my videos playing in the background, like just muted while you're doing stuff. Just kidding, you don't have to do that, but I'm trying to hit that mark. It'll just be really cool to be able to make probably very, very little, at least starting from this. but you know how I always like to have multiple income streams, and this would be a great one to add on. Even if it's just like a couple dollars a month, it's still pretty cool since I do put in like a lot of hours into this. I'm sure I'll get to that point maybe like by the end of the year or something. So yeah, let me know what kind of content you like too. I feel like I'm being really repetitive with the content that I'm doing, and I feel like I need to expand a little bit, do a little bit more different stuff. Yeah, I'd love to hear your opinion on that. Okay, so in a medium saucepan, combine 1 3/4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Okay. And then you're supposed to just add this. Yeah, so I do have a affiliate link listed down below if you just use my code. So I'm just gonna let that come to a boil. Yeah, so you bring it to a boil and then you stir it and simmer for 8 minutes. And then you add the spice pouch and mix and then boil again. Okay, that is very simple. It smells so good. This isn't even the whole thing. There's more in the pan still. I don't know if I'd be able to eat the whole thing, so yep, this is my lunch, and yeah, I'm excited to try. So good.